Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this comparison are available in the description below. This review is based on my personal experience using both banks. Choosing between JPMorgan Chase and Citizens Bank depends on several key factors: your location, the range of products you need, your preferred digital banking experience, and how well each bank's offerings align with your specific financial goals. JPMorgan Chase, a banking giant in the United States, boasts a comprehensive suite of financial products and services. These include checking and savings accounts, a wide array of credit cards, mortgage options, business loans, and even wealth management services. Chase's extensive nationwide network of branches and ATMs, coupled with its cutting-edge digital banking platform, provides convenient access to banking services no matter where you are. Chase is particularly well regarded for its diverse credit card portfolio, offering attractive rewards programs, travel perks, and generous sign-up bonuses tailored to various customer needs and spending habits. Furthermore, Chase offers flexible lending options and robust cash management solutions, making it a popular choice for entrepreneurs and small business owners. On the other hand, Citizens Bank has carved a niche for itself as a strong regional institution, primarily serving the Northeast and Midwest. While its geographic reach is smaller than Chase's, Citizens Bank emphasizes a more community-centric banking experience. Its checking and savings accounts typically come with reasonable fees and offer clear, straightforward methods for waiving those fees, making them attractive to customers who prioritize simplicity and affordability. Citizens Bank also provides a solid selection of loan products, including mortgages and student loan refinancing options. While its digital platform is continuously being enhanced, it may not yet offer the same breadth of advanced online and mobile features as Chase. If nationwide accessibility, a diverse credit card selection, and a comprehensive suite of financial services for both personal and business banking are your priorities, JPMorgan Chase is likely the better fit. Chase's scale, commitment to innovation, and product variety cater to customers seeking a single institution to handle all their financial needs. Conversely, if you value a more localized banking relationship, potentially lower fees, and a focus on fundamental banking and lending products, Citizens Bank could be a more suitable option. Its regional focus often translates to a more personalized customer service experience, and its simpler account offerings are well suited for those who primarily conduct their banking within Citizens Bank's service area. Ultimately, the best choice for you depends on your individual circumstances. Consider your geographic location, your preferences regarding credit card rewards programs, and whether you require national coverage or a more community-focused banking relationship before making your final decision.